10 cool tech gadgets we recommend for 2025. Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Rocket today. We're diving into the future with 10 mind-blowing gadgets you'll want in 2025. From AI companions to holographic gaming, these innovations are straight out of sci-fi. Let's get started. Gadget 1. Scape AR Visor. Kicking it off at number 10, the Scape AR Visor. These glasses overlay real-time navigation, translate street signs instantly, and even project 3D movies onto your surroundings. Perfect for travelers and gamers alike. Reality just got an upgrade. Price: around $599. Pre-orders open next month. Gadget 2. Zorro Phone VX. The Zorro Phone VX, a foldable that's actually durable. Its self-healing screen fixes scratches, and it's water-resistant. Stream, work, or game on a 10-inch display that fits in your pocket. Price: starting at $1,299. Worth every penny. Gadget 3. Nova Home AI. Meet Nova Home AI. This voice-activated orb manages your lights, security, and even teaches you recipes. Its emotional AI senses your mood. Need a pep talk? Nova's got you. Price: just $349. Your new smart home BFF. Gadget 4. Solaris Power Tile. Number 7. The Solaris Power Tile charges devices in 30 minutes using sunlight. Perfect for camping or blackouts. Eco-friendly and finally affordable. Price: $199. Save the planet while you binge watch. Gadget 5. Mindwave Audio Labs. Number 6. Mindwave Audio Labs. These headphones read brainwaves to play music that matches your focus or chill mode. Studying? Cue lo-fi beats. Party time? Let Mindwave DJ. Price: $449. Your brain's new playlist. Gadget 6. FitGenius Mirror. Number 5. The Fit Genius Mirror. It's a personal trainer, nutritionist, and Zen coach. Track reps, calories, and meditate with real-time feedback. Get shredded without leaving home. Price: $999. Gym membership? Cancelled. Gadget 7. Thunder Drone Delivery. Drone drops a package on the host's porch. Number 4. Thunder Drone Delivery. Amazon's rival delivers in 15 minutes, even in rain. GPS tracked and silent. No more barking dogs. Price: $799. Late night snack crisis solved. Gadget 8. Vita Core Health Ring. Close-up of a stylish ring on host's finger. Number 3. The Vita Core Health Ring. Monitors blood sugar, hydration, and stress. Syncs to your phone and alerts you before a meltdown. Health and fashion. Price: $279. Your finger's new superpower. Gadget 9. Holcombe Entertainer. Host watches a holographic NBA game above a cube. Number 2. Holcombe Entertainer. Transform your room into a 3D cinema or gaming arena. Invite friends, virtually, to join your Minecraft world. Next level immersion. Price: $1,499. Movie nights just got epic. Gadget 10. Skylift Personal Jet. Drone footage of a flying car taking off vertically. And number 1. The Skylift Personal Jet. This electric VTOL car avoids traffic at 150 miles per hour. Autonomous mode for stress-free commutes. The future of travel is here. Price: starting at $89,999. Start saving, or carpool. So, which gadget blew your mind? Drop a comment below. Down finger, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech magic. Until next time, stay curious.